Oh yeah, this is the big berm. Phew! Woo-hoo-hoo! Alright, so it's another day in the gorgeous Revelstoke, BC. It's gonna be sweet because like it's nice and sunny today. It's also my birthday and we're gonna be doing some yeah, it's my birthday. So we're gonna be doing some mountain biking, then we're gonna be doing some paragliding, then more mountain biking, and then maybe even a roller coaster. So it's gonna be a pretty jam-packed day. So I figure on your birthday you gotta go pretty hard, but yeah, it's gonna be an awesome day. Can't wait. Alright, another gorgeous day. Gonna take it easier, I'm getting tired, but first lap's gonna be fun. Taking her easy, brakes are feeling weird, so. Woo. How you feeling?
It's just like so fast.
So fast?
It's just cushy, eh?
Yeah, it's a little bit harder on the hands.
So fast.
29ers is just ridiculous, man.
Crazy the difference, eh?
It's not much, it's 1.5 inches, but holy smokes, it's huge. Exactly, yeah. That's what like all the pro downhillers are now doing 29ers. Or mullets, one of the two. Because apparently even just the front tire being there is faster.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah, yeah. It's ridiculous.
Crazy. I can roll right up to you now.
Yeah.
On Nick's I had to pedal.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I don't even have to push.
Uh-huh.
And I'm right behind you.
Yeah. It's ridiculous. It's so ridiculous.
Yeah, there's a big difference.
Oh yeah, for sure. Okay, keep her going. That's way better. Oh yeah, I see what you mean. It just wants to take off. Holy shit. Wow, it just takes off to these whoops. Boy, does it ever just hold its speed.
Yeah, it maintains speed.
Yeah. It definitely like all through those whoops, it just didn't lose any speed. Or on the DH, I slow down.
Yeah.
How do you find this thing?
Good, yeah, it's actually right nice, eh?
Yeah, it's pretty sick.
No, I think it's just as good as Nick's.
Yeah. It's that rear linkage, I swear.
It's fucking nice, it's cushy. Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a solid bike. Yeah, why don't you lead this time? Yeah. I'll chase you. Yeah, buddy. Woo! It's such a wild up. Need to go a little bit faster through there. right cramping up. Oh yeah, my favorite jumps up here. Woo! I think those are my two favorite jumps in the mountain. You were flying through there, boy. Yeah. I had to take a couple breaks. My brake is still like... Look at this, dude.
Oh, that's fucked.
Yeah. Want me to lead this time? You'll catch up. Oh, nope. Not quite. Oh yeah, this is a big berm. Oh yeah, big berm time.
I just need a bigger fork, eh?
Yeah.
I think it would be pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
BC edition, I should have bought that one.
Yep. Yeah, well, next time you're out here, buy a downhill bike. Okay, I'll let you lead.
No, you don't want to leave?
Well, I can lead if you want. You're probably going to pass me at some point anyways.
Oh, it's fun just watching you.
Okay, cool. Oh, I knuckled all those. Such a sweet section. Just going so fast. Woo.
That is pretty much going to wrap it up for our first lap of riding. We still have one more lap to go before we go paragliding, but if you want to see that, you're going to have to stay tuned to the next one.